Hi kids. Kids, today we will trace A, B, C, D, E, F. A to Z. Kids, let's learn colors name. Brown, red, violet, orange, blue, black, green, yellow, sky blue, pink, light green, light pink, orange color. This is letter A. Yellow color, yellow color. Kids, we are tracing letter B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Pink color, I. Violet color, J, K, L, M, N. O, P, red color, Q, green color, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.